Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. We have a 350Z here, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your door panel. So I will talk as I go. So there's a little plastic circle in here on the window switch. Pop that off. You're going to get a Phillips head. Undo that. And then we're going to pop the window switch up. I always just feed it in right there. Pop that up and out. Unplug the window switches. And while we still have our flathead in our hand, I'll reach up here and I will pop that beauty cover off for the handle. And then we can grab our 10 mil on an extension. And you got 3 10s to take off. And 1, 2, 3. And then we'll reach under here to that opening. Give that a pry. Off in the back, off in the front. Undo the window actuator, or the door lock actuator. There you go. That is how you remove a door panel on a 350Z.